Admitting evidence, how to handle new technology. Imagine a courtroom where a judge is asked to decide if a video created by artificial intelligence is real or fake. Handling new technology in court can seem tricky, but it's all about proving the evidence is trustworthy. When new tech shows up, the first step is establishing its authenticity. That means showing who made it, how it was created, and that it hasn't been changed or tampered with. For example, if a video was recorded on a smartphone, the person presenting it must explain how the phone stored the video and that it's an unaltered copy. Courts look for proof that the evidence accurately shows what it claims to. For digital evidence like emails, photos, or even AI-generated content, courts want to see that the technology used is reliable. This might involve expert witnesses explaining how the software works or providing certifications from qualified professionals. Recent rules allow some digital records to be admitted without a live witness if an expert certifies that the system used is accurate and trustworthy. This is called self-authenticating digital evidence. It helps speed things up and make sure the evidence is credible. But there's also the challenge of fake or manipulated evidence, like deepfakes. Courts are cautious about these because they can be very convincing. If someone questions whether a video or image is real, the court will weigh its importance against the risk of prejudice. To admit such evidence, the person offering it must show strong proof that it is genuine. In everyday cases, authenticating electronic evidence can be simple. For example, text messages from a cell phone can be verified through witness testimony, forensic analysis, or circumstantial clues. The goal is to give the judge and jury enough information so they can reasonably believe the evidence is real. Lawyers need to lay a solid foundation by explaining how the evidence was created, preserved, and verified. This might include expert testimony about the technology, certifications, or chain of custody records showing it hasn't been altered. Opposing parties should be given the chance to inspect and challenge the evidence before it's admitted. Judges take these rules seriously because electronic evidence can influence the case strongly. So, attorneys must clearly explain how the technology works and why the evidence is trustworthy. This way, new technology can be fairly and properly used in court, ensuring justice is served while respecting the standards of evidence.